Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and select System Manager, and here you will find several truly useful options. So let's start with Power Manager, open it, and here you can optimize your device by using Power Saving Mode or Smart Saving Mode. So they are all active now, but if they will be deactivated, you can activate them here to save the power and speed up your device. So let me go back. Now you can perform a rubbish clean. Tap on the bin icon, wait a couple of seconds, your device will scan itself automatically, and then you can rubbish all the cache. So tap on clean, wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, it's completed. So click on completed. You can go back. Now you can add some applications to freezing room. So select freezing room, and here by tapping on add freeze apps, you can select the app that you would like to freeze. As you can see, we've got all our unfrozen apps, but if you would like to froze some of them, for example, TripAdvisor, click on OK. And once it's done, you will be able to remove it from this list to restore it by tapping on restore once you want. Let me go back. And then you can also select app, auto boot, or app lock. So you can lock some apps, then all auto clean. So it's the last option, but truly useful. So you can set some applications to the protected list. And for example, let me do it with Chrome. And it's, as you can see, it joined the whitelist, so, and maps. So then once the auto clean has been made, it will not be affected. So that will be all. This is how you can speed up your device, how you can use your Doogee S55 Lite fully. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.